The wise man only needs 3 seconds to know how to break this nail apart. The rest gave him 3 years, without knowing the method. It is said that this is a brain training problem at Tsinghua University. It can be seen by observation that the 2 nails are not closed. There are gaps. If you want to pull it out of the gap, no matter whether you come out from this side or that side, it is impossible. Ding Bao's design just happened to block the way out. The quick-witted will think that a cross-rotation like this will work. It seems possible, but always the slightest difference. Seeing this, do you have any other way? A lot of times, children lose patience whenever they encounter difficulties. They are unwilling to think deeply and explore. However, in the face of difficulties in life, as long as we are flexible to change our thinking, we don't stick to conventional wisdom, sure to find new solutions. Next, I will show you the correct way to unbuckle. First, take a nail in the left and right grids. Let the spikes point left and right. Pin the cap up and down. Immediately move the nail on the right, along the track at an inclined angle to the tendon, according to the principle of spatial dislocation. The ding head and the ding head will be cleverly staggered. Then rotate 180 degrees counterclockwise. Come out of the gap. Do you think you've succeeded? The nail was still stuck inside. The right hand tilts the nail again and falls down. Turn around the right hand nail again. Do you think it can come out here? Still walking. The sharp gap in the nail is too small. We just rotate the left hand spike again until the 2 nails were gradually removed relatively successfully. Can you give me a hand at this point? If you don't experience it firsthand, I can't believe the ring can come out of the rope. This is a mathematical geometric space puzzle that has long been unexplained by science. If you want to take it from below, the wooden handle is just the right size to block the way of the ring. That being the case, what about taking it up with the rope track? You will get stuck halfway through. Upon closer inspection, it turns out that the wooden strips are big at one end and small at the other, and there is a long hole in the middle of the wooden strip. The width is just right. It also allows the wooden handle to pass smoothly, but the beads are too big, can't get through it all. From his overall structure, it seems to take out the ring. You can only cut the rope. Of course, if the rope is really cut, the puzzle also lost its meaning. Often we encounter difficulties and cannot get out. They are all blinded by the surface. You have to think outside the box. Look at the problem from a new perspective. For example, turn the wooden strip over one side. Let the circle go from the small end. Get out. In this circle, it has not yet been freed from the shackles of the rope. Think backwards. He took the unusual path. Pierce the ring through the long hole of the wooden strip. It can be successfully removed on the other side. Did you understand this spatial puzzle?